Hello, my name is Darwin Werner Villarraga Olivares. This video is designed for the area the method deterministic. Stressing to optimize the cost of transportation the finished product. Consolidation of systems, the company groups small orders into larger systems to reduce costs per volume and better levers transportation rates. Selection of efficient transportation modes. A combination of land and marine transport has been chosen, always opting for the most cost-efficient option based on the nature and the urgency of the product. Navigation with carriers. The company maintains close relationships and volume agreements with relieve carriers to preferential rates and more favorable condi- conditions. Strengths to optimize logistics, distribution system, and the use of neuronal networks in logistics projects process. Implementation of real-time inventory management system. This enables better route planning and reduce delivery times, optimizing logistical resources. Use of neural networks for demand prediction. The company has developed machine learning models that analyze historical data to forecast demand peaks. Third, adjusting distribution and following additional costs. Route optimization through artificial intelligence algorithm neural networks are used to determine the most efficient routes taking in account variables such as traffic, weather, and priority deliveries, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Thank you very much.